Taught across 9 modules by a togaf specialist, this course starts by defining enterprise architecture before going into detail on different aspects of the togaf framework. This includes the phases and techniques of the ADM, as well as architectural governance. The course also discusses how to apply togaf, requirements management, agile enterprise architecture, and other relevant topics. Once you begin training, you will have access to over 10 hours of course material. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go, wherever you are. Learning tips are included to help you remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course, and you can request a free exam voucher when you are ready to sit the official exam. You'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment, where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.